BTP, Big Business Technology for Small
Hey
Business.
everybody, Michael Jenkins here for BTP, day 2 of the Business Summit here in South Australia at the Adelaide Airport. And to be honest, it's been a very impressive, very long 2 days, very tired. But I'm excited. The small businesses I've met, the things that are going on in small business in South Australia are awesome. The things I've learned about what other businesses are up to and the things that we can do to get together and things we can do for other small businesses are brilliant. So it's been a well worth it weekend. It's been fantastic for South Australia, fantastic for small business, and it's been an awesome sort of pleasure to be here. And yeah, can't wait to go home and go to bed. 2 days of this is just too much head cramming going on. But yeah, look, if you ever get an opportunity to go to a business summit, they're awesome. So I guess I'll see you all Monday. Have a great rest of the weekend.